to learn with us how to. Today we have a new machine, a Treadmill that we just did unboxing for it, and here it is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna assemble it. So we already took it out of the box. We brought it up from upstairs to downstairs, removing the box and all these things. Everything you can watch when we did the unboxing. I'll leave the link for you guys under this video so you can see how we did the unboxing for it. Okay, let's go ahead and see. So this is the guide, basically. So the manual, and we have the user guide, user manual, and we're gonna do assemble it. So what do you guys think? Is it easy or is it hard? So we don't know how, but let's see and follow us. We'll go by the guide. So I never did it before. I never done it before. So this is the first time. So I'll go and follow the guide. And for you guys, just watch my video and it's gonna be easy for you. So the first step, first screw the left and right knobs of the columning to the unlock position. So this would be, okay, I see them. I think they would be the blue nodes all the side here. On the side. These are the nodes. Okay, so that screw. So I think we have to take this, second step will be this one here. Just taking this up. I think so. So this goes up like this. And then that's the second step. Let's go to the third step. Okay, there is something that I need to pick up from here. So we have to remove this. What is this box for? I don't know. But there is something here that we need. Use 5x wrench and M. Can you give me that, please?
Maybe from here. Here we go.
Here. You can hold that from Ammo's hand. Sorry.
What?
You can hold the phone. Okay. So we take this up to this here, and then flat screw to secure lock the electronic watch and shown in the figure 3. So what is this figure 3? Okay. So we have to secure. Okay, there is a screw here. If you can come and show them here. Now I can see that there is a screw here that you need to put something in it. Yeah, there is a space here. So would it be the screws? I don't know. So we have 2 of them. So that's M20, I guess. So we'll see if there is a number in here, which is M20, MA20, M8. Okay, so that's 8. And then we have N20. What is 20? 20. So this is M8. This would be M8. Now, what is 20? I don't know. Okay, there is something different. I got it. That's number 6 would be 5x wrench. So this is the one, and the MA20. MA20, where is it? So this is the one, and I think the MA20 would be, I don't know what it is. Okay, I got it. MA20 full teeth. So we're gonna use number 3. So that will be this. As I say, it's gonna be this 2 here. That's MA20, and this is number 8, and this is MA20. So the way to install it is okay. We need to get it in. So now I don't know, this one here would be from outside basically. So we're gonna add this here. Oops. Slightly cracking. So I got it in. I don't know why it cracked, it scared me. So I'm gonna use not this one here, but the other one. I think there'll be number 3 on the guide. Number 6. So this would be the one here that has like a head in front. So that's what we're gonna use to screw this. And make sure it's tight. Oops, no, I think the other side, sorry. So we need to make sure that it's tight. Why it's not working? How does it work? Why is it doing that so much? Why is it tight? I feel that I'm doing something wrong, but that's what is written. Where's the other one? Guys, where's the other one? So this is the pasta I told you about. Here it is. See how it is? So I don't know if this is gonna fit on here or not, but I think so, but maybe from this side. Yeah, from this side it's fitting. So we gotta do the other side.
Can I bring the camera closer?
I don't know, it's not working, it's not getting in. I don't want to do it harder. Okay. خلاص بس خلاص هذا اللقطة عادي هذا المفروض ما نصورش فيها هلا حيطلعها كلها اصلا خلاص نفعت بس احزقها هذا الحين انا لما نودي امتحان المسالك كيف انه بيقولوا تعطل فوق مدري ايش سريع طبعا. ها؟ كان تحت البوكس سريع لك. هذا حق الجرافيك كارد. إيمان المفروض هذا. I don't feel it's right. Anyway, we'll go for the next step, so maybe we'll have to pick it up a little bit. When lock the electronic watch, put up the left and right razor to the limit position. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this up, see how it works. That's to the limit. So this is how it looks right now after we build it up. So this is the side. We just need to remove this box in order to. So we'll remove this one here. Just pick it up. Okay, remove it. That's it. Easy peasy. So I think we'll have to put it in a place, not on the carpet, but maybe we'll just put it somewhere there. Let's see how it works. So everything is done here. So the next step would be to plug in the power, which is gonna be, so we put it there. There's the power cords. Do you see the power somewhere here? It should be, okay, here.
Should I check?
I see it here. So I'll just open this. This way the power. Go in. 3 of them.
I think maybe because it's still in the plastic.
Battery tag out. Okay, so this is the power. Just find a way for it, and then if we come up here, let's see what's under this here. So we just need to move it. This is how it looks. So is this a screen? Or okay, so this is for, so what is this for? This is for this one here. And where do we plug this? On the phone maybe? I think it might be on the phone. But there is no phone holder somewhere here. What is this? Warning. It's the speed. So I think what we have to do is just plug the power in. But the thing is that there is no holder, phone holder, there is no holder. So let me just plug the power. So now it's powered in. So let's see how we use it. So what do we do here? We go back to the manual. That's our 8.7. Let me see that, please. Time to set up speed. Put on the instruction. Startup instruction. Attach the safety key to the safety key. So this is the safety key. I have the safety key here. So that's what we're gonna do. Is it has to be attached. This is very good. That you need. Can you put the sound lower? Yeah. So this is okay. As soon as you put here, it'll start working. If it gets removed, it doesn't work. So this one here, you have to attach it to yourself when you play with it. It has to be attached somewhere here, somewhere on the t-shirt here, wherever you want to do it.
So like, does it just track your heart rate and stuff?
No, it doesn't. It just, if you fall, it pulls it and stops.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, so this is the speed. Start. So it's starting right now. Okay. So that's the speed here. This is minus the speed. Okay. So you go with the speed up from here, you can do it from here. And then you can use the speeds here. Minus up. And then there will be like programs around here. Tells you the time, speed, seconds, how to play with it. And I think the rest is easy. Really appreciate. Oh. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, press that notification bell, and we will continue with unboxing new product. Have a good day.